Today we plan to go to another brunch place, but it was closed. So we find another restaurant at the corner. The minute you walk in, you feel something special. It is Iranian restaurant and it has dessert, teas, brunch. Their decorations catch my eyes. They have so many handmade stuff like teapots, different mugs. This is my friend. I order a saffron tea latte because it's our first time. We don't know which one to order, so we order the exact same as our neighbor. Let's taste this chocolate cake. It has a very strong chocolate taste. It tastes like a brownie. I like it, a little bit creamy. I like they put some chocolate crunches on the top, so make it a special texture. This is a pistachio dessert. Let's try it. I think I saw this in Adonis too. I don't know if there's any difference. It has some honey on the top, some pistachio, dry pistachio on the top, and inside I think it has some dry nuts. It's crispy outside. It's really good. I like it. It's more like Middle East style, and that tastes very good. And it matched with a cup of tea latte. Without sugar, with sugar, it's a well balanced. I will definitely come back for its afternoon tea because I saw their menu. There are hundreds of different teas, herbals there. I love to try something that from different cultures. It's really fun.